start landing the exhaust juices.
We might, you know, I'm not really sure.
I may have done it. All right. All right. She's good.
She's hung.
She hung.
Mrs. Gunderson, what are you doing down here? Oh yeah. Ah! That sounds pretty cool.
Hear it when you're like pulling away.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I like that.
I like
Why don't you hop in, Andy, and we'll see what it sounds like when you're on the inside.
Jump in too if you want to really fast.
I'll start with you, Anna.
Oh, sorry, boys. It's such a small back seat.
I'm gonna sit
sorry.
sideways on it.
Sorry about that back there. Should I have the windows down? All right, we'll do the windows down first, and then we'll...
Three, two, one, go!
Sounds kind of nice.
She really moves.
Terrorizing the neighbors. Sounds pretty good though, huh?
Sounds very good.
I dig it.
Yeah, I love how it sounds, honestly.
Sounds pretty cool.
It's got a very nice tone through the entire RPM range.
It's not like overly loud.
That's what you want, man. I hate over loud noise.
All right, ladies.
Look of disapproval on her face.
Oh my goodness.
Axes. Yeah, it sounds all right. It's like tame. It's subtle. It's not overpowering. And I think it'll just get louder as the soot builds up, right? I mean, be good. Should be good.
We always look for cheap gas these days.
Mm-hmm.
Soot should be looking nice and fast.